going to see about a palindrome. Palindrome. First step, we need to read a question. You are given an integer n. Your task is to determine whether it is a palindrome or not. So this question asking whether it is palindrome or not. So this question comes data type as boolean. So because of checking whether it is true or false, palindrome or not, so we see what is meant by palindrome. Palindrome is nothing but an one variable is given that must change into backward direction. Like we can take an example as 1 2 3, that reverse the number 3 2 1. We need to change it as to 3 2 1. It is known as palindrome. So first step, we need to reverse the value and check whether reverse the value or original value is equal or not. And next step, we need to um, declare an variable for sum. We need to declare an variable and give it as 0, and we need to take on three numbers 1 2 3, that we need to remove 3 out of that, and we need to run. So we take sum equal to 0. While removing a value, we use modulo by 10. Any number modulo by 10, we get a last digit out. So we use modulo by 10. 0 modulo by 10 plus last digit. We need to do that. And third step, we get as 3 as sum now. And we need to do second step, 3 modulo by 10 plus 2. Second number is 2. So we need to do that. 3 modulo by 10, we get 30, and plus 2 will be a 32. We need to store the 32 into a variable value. And third step will be 32 modulo 10 plus 1 will be the 32 divides 10, we get as 320, plus 1 will be 321. We get an value. Now we need to code that in this. How to code this, we know. We can see this. First step, we need to reverse. We need an reverse code, that is reverse return reverse n equal n. N is a original value. We need first step, we check reverse value and original value is equal or not, and we need to write a code for it. First step, it should be int reverse open get int n. Open bracket. And next step should be int reverse. This is while we are seeing logic, we had sum equal to 0. In this, we are giving reverse int reverse. And going to next step, we need to use loop while condition. This is used for n should not exist 0, n not equal to 0 open bracket. While using this while if condition, we need this open bracket. We use this open bracket. And next step, int last digit equal n modulo 10. This should be a third step. This used for removing the last digit. N modulo 10 will remove the last digit from the three numbers. And next, reverse equal reverse multiple of 10 plus last digit. For getting the last digit and adding with the last digit, getting a sum value and multiplying with that, and lastly we need to plus that last digit, and we need to remove the 3. So we use n divide or equal to 10. We done this, the third 3 will remove out of that, and next there will be 1 and 2 value. And next, again and again this loop will run, and we get return. We need to return this, and this loop will go to return reverse and show that it is palindrome or not. This function works like this. Now we going to run this. Compile. First we need to compile and run. Now the error is nothing but we have declared an value as int rev. We does not have declared any initialize any value for this. So we need to give int rev equal 0, and compile and run this program. We get a proper compilation and submit. All the test cases will solved out. How this, like we need to do this coding.